Hello students, here is Ashu Gupta, Assistant Professor. Again welcomes you all on the behalf of the Indraprasth Law College. Many topics have been cleared by me in the previous lectures. You may see these lectures and benefited from this lecture series very well. And in today's lecture, we will discuss about the provision regarding the Kisan Bhai, which is incorporated under section 41 in the UP Revenue Code 2006. So in this today's lecture we are going to discuss about the various provisions contained under section 41 in the name of Kisan Bhai in this UP Revenue Code 2006. And according to section 41, what is Kisan Bhai and what is the provision relating to that Kisan Bhai are applicable in the Tehsil. That is, the first one is every time when a record of rights means Khatoni is prepared, the collector shall as soon as may be cause to be supplied to every tenure holder a Kisan Bhai containing such particulars as may be prescribed. So that is a responsibility given to the collector to maintain this the structure of the record of rights through a Kisan Bhai. And the next provision says that the Kisan Bhai shall be a consolidated passbook for all the holdings held by a tenure holder in the district. So basically this will be derived as a consolidated passbooks of their holdings, of the tenure holders holdings. And in the case of a joint holding, if any holdings are in the joint account, then it shall be sufficient for the purpose of this section if Kisan Bhai is supplied only to such one or more of the recorded co-tenure holder as may apply for it. And the next point is regarding to the Kisan Bhai is that the tenure holder shall be liable to pay such cost for the Kisan Bhai and in such manner as may be prescribed by the Revenue Code 2006, by the provisions of UP Revenue Code 2006. And in the next point, every person holding Kisan Bhai shall from time to time be entitled without any extra payment to get the amendments made in the records of rights means Khatoni incorporated in his Kisan Bhai. After that, whenever a bank or other public financial institution advances loan to a tenure holder on the basis of a representation of the tenure holder that he is a holder of the holdings recording in the Kisan Bhai, so it shall endorse the details of the loan so advanced in the Kisan Bhai. And in this continuation, the section 41 also provision that the tenure holder shall also submit to such bank or other financial institution an affidavit declaring that he has not taken any other loan which maybe remains wholly or partly unpaid on the security of the holdings comprised in the Kisan Bhai, nor has he transferred the holding of any share therein on any person in any other manner whatsoever. And In that next point relating to this, Kisan Bhai says that any tenure holder who in such an affidavit makes any statement which is false and which he either knows or believes to be false or does not believe to be true shall be punished with imprisonment of either description for a term which may extend to 3 years and shall also be liable to fine. So such bank or other financial institution shall also endorse the final repayment of the loan on the Kisan Bhai. So that is the procedure regarding given in the under section 41 regarding the Kisan Bhai, who may help the tenure holder to get the loan or the repayment of the loan on the behalf of their holdings, which is described very well in section 41 of that UP Revenue Code 2006. Hope you will understand the concept of Kisan Bhai and the proceedings regarding the Kisan Bhai. And in this continuation, section 42 also represent the duty to produce information or documents wherein every person whose rights, interests or obligations are required to be or have been entered in any record or register maintained under this chapter 5 shall be bound on the requisition of any revenue officer engaged in compiling or revising such record or register, furnish or produce for his inspection within such time as may be specified, and all such information or documents needed for the correct compilation or revision thereof, as may be with his knowledge or in his possession of power. So this is the whole concept of the Kisan Bhai given under chapter 5th of this code. It is a very important question and practical and very usable in the practical aspects. So hope you will understand very well about the Kisan Bhai and we remember the sections or the chapters of that topic. And in the next lecture we will discuss about the revision of the village records, how to revise the village records, and we will talk about the chapter 6, which contains the elaborated provisions regarding the revisions of the village records. So hope you will enjoy it a lot and you will understand the things very well with the help of these lecture series managed by your college. We will meet soon again in the next lecture. Thank you very much.